Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back. I decided to make another video yesterday I did it on the weekly, and now we're here on the daily, and maybe even gonna go to the hourly. But basically, what I want to focus on is not this area here. I will be focusing on the immediate short term and midterm kind of support and resistance areas for Bitcoin. Basically, trying to figure out what's next or what are the options that are next for Bitcoin. So let's forget about this area right here, the 31.5 to 29K area. I spoke about this in yesterday's video. I'll link it below and you can just go to my profile, check it out. I spoke about this lowest support area here multiple times since we had multiple all-time highs from this area. But now let's focus on this. This is what's right around us. So where we are now, we are right here right now. And as you can see, we've been rejected multiple times here now by the resistance of this falling wedge pattern that's been forming since November. And this neckline here. The neckline is the line with the last part of the dip, and we're trying to get above it to basically confirm a higher low. And yeah, then that's right above us is the MA ribbon, obviously, that we need to get through then to get to this area here, which is a very strong support resistance area historically. And if we get above this, this is a very strong confirmation that we are in bull territory again. As you can see here, if we break above that, we would be above the bull market support band, and also then above this area is basically formed by the 200-day 200-day SMA and the bull market support band here. And there you can see all the support and resistance in this area historically, same as here, very strong areas. So if we can get through this area here, build support above it, that would be very strong sign for continuation of a bull run. And yes, and then below here, this area right here, if we get rejected here further and the volume doesn't pick up, we won't be able to make it through the resistance of the wedge. Then we have these trend lines here. Also, these trend lines I don't want to talk about because I spoke about them so much since early December. These have been the reason for a large part of the reason for why I called the bottom at 40K to 37K. So you can just look at my previous posts and my videos. I link some below. And yeah, so what we're looking here for is basically this is a very strong support area, the 40K area. This will give us support. But if we will get rejected here further, there's a likelihood that we get back to the bottom of this wedge here. And then we have a lot of correlation here in this area with this line that's coming from the shadows since December 2020, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, this very strong area here as that we just looked at, that gives us very strong support. So if we don't bounce off the top here at 40K, as you can see, we wicked into this box here already to about 39.6K, but immediately bounced back. So very strong support. And in theory, the longer we're staying above 40K without dropping lower in the support area, the stronger the sign. So we could actually, especially with a falling wedge pattern here, bullish pattern, that we could break to the upside. But as for right now, with the volume that we have and only one day left in the week, tomorrow, Friday, weekend coming up, and then a huge close on the weekly that I spoke about yesterday in the video and the previous video and the video last week. So check those out. There's big things happening on the weekly chart. So make sure to head over there. And if you like what you see, as always, please like, share, comment, tell me what you like, what you don't like. That really helps me out and just keeps me going on here. I'm trying to grow this. I'm trying to turn this into something that I do consistently for at least a few years. I'm really passionate about the market, so I would really appreciate it if you help me out over there just by leaving a like or a comment down below. Now let's move over real quick. I wanted to keep this under 6 minutes. Let's move over real quick to the 4-hourly time frame here, and this is a pattern that I've posted I think a couple days ago or yesterday. I'm not sure. and I tweeted it before as well. So as you can see here, basically we've been moving in this pattern right here the last few days, and I just wanted to show here on a shorter time frame as well the immediate support and resistance areas here. Ignoring this one once again, we just focus on what's right ahead of us, and here we would basically confirm. As you can see, this is the neckline, the same we saw earlier. Get over that, we would finally break out of this trend here, get over that, and then our first target area would be here 46 to 48k, and the same thing, this is where we wick down to 39.6, what I showed on the time frame before. So if we break that, our first target area is coming here with support historically, would be 30 this area here from 35.5 to 33.5, and then obviously this area down here, which we don't want to talk about yet. So I'll keep updating if this area really is, obviously is in play, but if it comes, if we can smell it, if we can feel it, if it comes that close into play, I'll post another video and I'll talk about it. Make sure, hopefully I won't be sleeping when that happens, otherwise I'll make a video about it as close to it as possible. Yeah, and this is it. So missed the target of 6 minutes, but hey, 7 is my lucky number. So once again, thank you, and I'll keep updating on videos, posts, social media you find down below, and you can just follow me on here. Once again, I really would appreciate any sort of engagement. Leave it up to you. As you can see, it's basically only had this this profile for a month now. I'm just trying to grow it a bit to get my ideas and opinions out there. See you soon, guys. Take care.